Hello there, Amazon shoppers. This is Amy with 911 Studios, and today we're going over some of the best products on Amazon for summer. This one is a countertop ice cube maker, highly portable and super fast. This is going to be great for summer, but it's going to be great for any time of year. So many different applications, whether you use this in a restaurant or at home, in your office, at your barbecue, at your next party, get together, whatever it may be. You need this. It is so cool. You are gonna have ice shockingly fast. You guys, in as little as 6 minutes. This makes 26 pounds. That is incredible. 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. So even though this is small and compact and can fit on a countertop, it is just gonna make an incredible amount of ice. The display is pretty cool too. It gives you a lot of options, and you're going to be able to monitor everything like the amount of water in the tank, and even know when the reservoir is full of ice and you need to take some out and put it in the ice bucket. It comes with an ice tray and cubes as well, or excuse me, a scoop comes with it. This is going to be quiet enough to use, at your office, at your countertop at home, at your party, even at your restaurant, and it's not going to disturb anyone around you. Again, energy efficient, quiet. It has 2 different size selections of ice cubes. You can either do small or large, and it's bullet shaped ice. So I think that's my favorite kind. That's the good ice. And if you are doing alcoholic beverages, that ice is going to melt uniformly and be great for that as well. Yeah, you guys, definitely check this one out. It is going to be highly convenient this summer when you are getting together with your friends, when you're doing barbecues, whatever it may be. Get this instead of those bulky bags of ice or running out of ice. You can always have fresh ice in as little as 6 minutes, which is insane. So go ahead and put this in your cart. Buy it with confidence because they guarantee 1 year hassle-free warranty. So you can buy with a lot of confidence and you'll be happy that you did.